Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make some apple muffins. You're going to need about 3/4 of a cup of milk and some oats using 1 cup. Add your milk. Next, you're going to use a 1/2 cup of applesauce. I like these because they come in the container the exact size that I need. Next, you're going to add an egg. And 1 cup of flour. Tell me if you know this trick already. For your brown sugar, store it in the fridge so it doesn't get all clumpy. For this, we're going to need 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. And I like to pack the brown sugar into the measuring cup for it. Next, we need 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a dash of cinnamon and vanilla, and optional would be a dash of nutmeg. Cut up an apple and dice it into small chunks. Add the entire apple into the mix. And you're going to stir it with a fork. All you're doing is trying to incorporate everything and make sure that the flour is no longer visible. This whole mixing process takes about 30 seconds. And if you haven't done so already, preheat your oven to 400. And get some muffin tins and grease them with some spray grease. I like to use the measuring cup to fill my muffin tins. The recipe that I use originally called for making 12 muffins with it. However, I typically will make 9 or 10, depending on how large I want to make the muffins. Put it in the oven, and after 20 minutes, it should be done. And you've just made some apple muffins. Please like, subscribe, and comment.
Sure.
Look at that.